The Indian Air Force Chief flew a sortie in an IOC standard Tejas Mark I aircraft, and he also visited Indian Air Force units and flight test establishments and facilities of Hindustan Aeronautics and DRDO at Bengaluru on 23rd and 24th August. He also visited the aircraft and systems testing establishment of the Air Force, where he was given an overview of ongoing projects and briefed on progress of operational trials. He also visited Software Development Institute, which is tasked for undertaking development of avionics software, where he underscored the crucial role of both establishments in furthering the shared goal of building an indigenous aviation industry capable of meeting future requirements. The CEO of BrahMos Aerospace had requested a 200-acre land in Lucknow for establishing a state-of-the-art production facility for BrahMos' next-generation missile. The civil construction for the 300 crore rupees production facility will begin within 3 months of getting possession of the land, and the facility will have the capacity to manufacture 100 BrahMos-NG missiles after 3 years of establishment. The UP Chief Minister has already directed officials to allocate the land to BrahMos Aerospace, and the 8,000 crore rupees order of 400 BrahMos air-launched missiles for the Indian Air Force will also be executed at this upcoming manufacturing unit. Before granting acceptance of necessity, the Defense Ministry has sought more clarity from the US on the price fixation, maintenance and transfer of technology in the 22,000 crore rupees deal to acquire 30 armed MQ-9B UAVs. The ministry has asked for some more details on the exact costing, the repair and maintenance facilities and technology transfer. Officials have said that 6 out of the total 30 MQ-9B drones will be delivered quickly after contract signing through fast-track induction mode. The Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force will carry out air combat exercises with the Mitsubishi F-2 fighters of the Japanese Air Force at a Japanese Air Base in 2021. That will be the first ever bilateral air combat exercise of Japan with India, as the previous joint air exercise held in December 2018 was focused only on joint mobility and humanitarian assistance operations. Private sector firm Solar Group, which had supplied the first batch of 1 lakh multi-mode hand grenades to Indian Army yesterday, is now close to sign a contract with Indonesia for the supply of 1 lakh grenades. Indonesian officials were highly impressed by the safety and capability of the Indian-built multi-mode hand grenades, and the Modi government has also given in-principle approval to Solar Group to supply the grenades to Indonesia. Russian firm Kalashnikov has said that it has delivered a batch of AK-15 rifles to India in mid-August that are meant for special units of a number of Indian states. We had recently reported that India and Russia have signed a deal for the immediate off-the-shelf procurement of 70,000 latest AK series rifles, and new reports indicate that the off-the-shelf rifles include multiple variants of the AK series including AK-103. The first set of 4,000 units of Level 5 BIS hallmark bullet resistance jackets will be provided to the ITBP and the SSB for the first time on 23rd September, and the cost of each Level 5 jacket is estimated around 45,000 rupees each. These jackets will be in a series of upgraded version of Level 5, which has a resistance capacity to stop hard steel core bullets. A Singaporean defense analyst has said that India's Tejas light combat aircraft or the Korean FA-50 Golden Eagle could emerge as a winner to the tender floated by the Royal Malaysian Air Force to fulfill a light combat aircraft requirement. He also said that the General Electric F404 engine used in the Tejas and FA-50 gives them clear advantage over the Chinese offer of the JF-17 that is powered by a Russian RD-93 engine, as Malaysia has faced serviceability issues with the same engine on its MiG-29 fighters. The Pakistan Army has conducted a successful test of the Chinese A-200 rocket, but it has announced that Pakistan has successfully tested the indigenously developed Fatah-1 guided multi-launch rocket system, and it will give the Pakistani military the capability of precision target engagement 150 kilometers into enemy territory. The Indian Air Force has again opposed the creation of the theatre commands of the armed forces during a meeting held at the Defence Ministry last week. The Air Force has reservations about unified commands because of its limited resources compared with the Indian Army, and it does not want to split its assets, and it also has issues over who would lead the particular theatres.
Omar dropped it.